whipped up some beer. Quit filming me.
There's still a little bit in the garbage. Oh, just stick your face a little closer just to make sure.
Shut me. I'm gonna throw up all over you.
Did you just spray yourself in the face with Febreze?
Oh man, this thing's not, it does not smell like fucking Febreze.
Just spray it with the cleaner, and then I'll get a rag and we can wipe it off. Instead of wiping it with a paper plate.
Oh, I can't shut my hand.